Class, don't forget it's spring break. Okay. It's school over. Now I can go tell my friends what I'm doing this spring break. Okay, so I'm going camping with my family. What are y'all doing? Well, I was just going to go swimming. Oh, well, I was going to spring camp. Oh, well, I'm going camping. Okay, can't wait. Do. Yay, time for Mom. You're finally home, Jeremy. Yes, I am. Good. I can't wait for camping. Kids, hurry! We're getting time for camping. Hurry! Jeremy, go get Lily. She's in the shower. Lily, we're about to go camping. Okay, 1 second. Wait a minute. Let me get her stuff. Okay. Okay. Throw. Okay. Lily, your clothes are on your bed. Time to get ready. Yes, time to go camping. Mom, I'm ready. Whoa, Mom. It's so cool. Let's do this, Mom. Whoa, Mom, we need to hurry. Okay. It's so cool, I can't even get the door open. Whoa, Mom, I like this. We can't drive any faster, but we can love it. Love in this car the way it is. Wow. Mom, do you know where it is? No. Dun, dun, dun. Mom, what was that? Mom, let's just go. I don't know who that man was.
We're Thunder Force. See? Is that still not? It's out of context. It's probably still a little confused. We're the good guys. Wow. We're not doing it for the thanks. We're here to protect the city. But if you did want to thank me with a pickle in the bag.
Hey, you saved our lives.
Here we are.
Okay, so we're out.
Wow, Mom.
Sorry about that. Remember, Thunder Force. Thunder Force saving the city, y'all.
Whoa. So, when the night crawled down, the fire went up, an explosion, the wolf went gone. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, that's it. If this creepy man is gonna watch me sleep, gonna watch me tell me stories, and gonna watch me drive just to go camping, then he got me wrong. I'm gonna have to go tell him to stop looking at me. Now where'd he go? I need to get my backpack done, and I need to take me a shower. I cannot go. I'm gonna have to follow this man wherever he went because he's not gonna look at me all day. Oh, a mini bike can take this. I need to go get this boy wherever he is because he's not gonna be slick looking at me. Sometimes he even be looking in my windows when I'm asleep. What is wrong with this man? I saw him going this way because I was going bird watching. I saw him go here. Okay, why do you keep on looking at me? Oh, it's you. Well, the reason why I was looking at you, I wanted to know how to take care of a baby. Sorry. Well, tell me that. Oh, can nobody tell me nothing?